Now, DJI asked me to make a teaser video and not tell you any of the specifications of the AVATA360. So I'm going to tell you the following and you figure it out. So what exactly is the AVATA360? Well, it's like this. If you took the Avata 2 and you took the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and then you added the Osmo 360 camera with a lens on either side, you would then get the Avata 360. And just to show you the size of the Avata 360, this is the Avata 2 and here's the 360. Put them together, you can see the 360 is larger. Now surprisingly, I received this in December of 2025, so DJI made this drone a long time ago. Now I'm sure many of you are going to want to order this, so I'm going to tell you some key information now before the launch date of end of March, and the key information is this actually works with the RC2. So if you already own the RC2, you can just buy the Avata 360 itself with one battery and you're all set. You can get it as a Fly More combo with 3 batteries, and the batteries are not compatible with the Avata 2. Now, if you want to fly FPV, the Avata 360 is fully compatible with the Goggles N3 as well as the DJI Goggles 3. Now, one thing I found mind-blowing is that the Avata 360, when using the RC2 remote, it allows you to fly in single lens mode, just like a normal DJI Mini 5 Pro, or you can put it in 360 mode and the lens up front will flip into 360, and then you just fly around and it's capturing all the information all around you. And on your remote, you can look at any of that information while flying or when you get home and edit the video. Now, if you want to fly the FPV Avata 360 in FPV mode, in other words, you want to fly it wearing the FPV Goggles N3 or the Goggles 3, and you want to use the motion controller or you want to use the remote controller 3, well, it's pretty cool. But what's more cool is if you put it in head tracking mode, well, then the drone will just sit in the air going like this or flying forward. But if you move your head to look around, the drone does not look around. What happens is the 360 camera lets you see all around as you're flying one way, and you actually see your information in the goggles. In the big screen, you see where you're going and as well what you're looking at. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I'll leave that to the major review. I don't want to blow anybody's mind, so wait for that. So as I mentioned, wait until March 26th and you'll see everybody's full review on this baby. I might have a full review out if I'm not stuck moving furniture in the house, then I'll put a full review out, so stay tuned to this channel. Once again, prices, you'll know them on March 26th. It's not going to be super expensive because of the fact that you could just buy the drone if you already own a lot of this gear, so there's no need to rebuy the gear. And before I go, I know someone's going to ask it in the comments below, is it better than the anti-gravity drone that's also 360? Well, it's a lot more versatile. It has a lot more features than the anti-gravity drone. So I think for most of you out there who are beginners or pros, you're going to love this a lot better than the anti-gravity drone. So yeah, you'll want to check this out on March 26th.